Alright, in this video, I will explain on how to estimate the finishing work. So the scope of our discussion is tiling works. In general, the main aspect that need to be identified in cost estimation of any general building or civil engineering works are labor, material, and also the equipment cost, right? So for tiles, for tiling works, okay, uh, we need to address the resources, okay, the resources. Okay, so let's look what are the common resources that used in this particular works. So for the resources, either you hire the skilled or unskilled labor. We know that the wages or the salary for both category of workers is different. Okay, yet what are the materials? The materials. So as we can see in this pictures, okay, this is the tiling work. So the workers, right, are fixing the tile. So the materials involved are the tiles and also this cement, okay, cement paste to fix the tiles on the floor, right? And machine. So basically, there is no machine or equipment involved in this particular work. So now we know that we only have to calculate or estimate the labor cost and also the material cost to know the overall cost for the tiling works. Alright, so I will use this example to explain in depth the um, estimation of the tiling works. Right. For prepare estimation cost for fixing one piece with the size 250 mm times 250 mm heavy duty carport style with 15 millimeter thick of cement and total cost for 800 pieces of the proposed carport styles project, binding on the data below. The project duration is expected to be 2 days and requires 2 skilled workers and 3 unskilled workers. So given the duration and also the capacity of the workers to complete this works. Okay, so in this problem, given the price of heavy duty tile, which the sizing 250 times 250 mm is 1 ringgit and 60 cents per piece. The cement price is 14 ringgit per bag. Skilled workers salary per day is 90 ringgit. Unskilled workers is 50 ringgit per day, and the profit to be include is 15%. So the illustration of this carport is as you can see in this pictures, right? So from the information, we know that we need to calculate the material cost, okay, material cost which include the tile and also the cement, okay. So for tile, given the price, and the cement also given the price. So let's look how to estimate the material cost for this particular work. Right. So for material cost, so the first materials is tiles. Given the numbers of the total numbers of tiles which need to be used for the carport is 800 pieces. Okay, 800 pieces. So 800 pieces, but in general, we will take into consideration the wastage. Okay. Commonly, we will take 5% as wastage. So if let's say during the transportation of the tiles, there is damage of the tiles, so at least we have backup to ensure the project will not delay. Right, so 5% from 800 pieces is 40 pieces. Okay, so this how you get this value is the wastage is 5% okay, times with the total numbers of tiles required for the project. Okay, so you get 40 pieces. Alright, so the total numbers of tiles required is 840. Okay, so in order for you to know the cost of tiles, you must multiply with the price per piece. Okay, so 840 pieces times RM 100, 1 ringgit and 60 cents per piece, you will get this total price for the tiles, 1,344 ringgit. The next, the second materials which need to be used to fix the tiles is the cement. Okay, we know the size of the tiles is 0.25 meter or 250 millimeter. Okay, so this is stated in the question here. So each tiles required cement, the thickness of cement required to fix each tiles is 15 millimeter thick. So this is the view of the thickness whereby you need to face or the surface area with the cement before you can fix the tiles on the floor. Alright? Uh, Yet the thickness of the cement is 15 mm. So from this, you convert the value in meter, mm to meter, you get this volume. Okay, so this is volume of cement required to fix one piece of tile. Right? So we know that for the whole section of the carport, it required 800 pieces of tiles. So total volume of cement required is you multiply 800 with the volume per piece, you will get total volume of cement required to fix all tiles for that particular space. So 7.5 cubic meter. Therefore, the cost of cement is, so we know that the price given of the cement is in per bag, RM 14 ringgit per bag. So we know that for each volume 1 cubic meter of cement, it is equivalent to 28 bags of cement. So that's why here you can see 7.5 cubic meter, which is the total volume of cement, times 28 bags per cubic meter times the price of each bag, which is 14 ringgit. So you get the cost of cement is 2,940 ringgit. So this one is for 800 pieces. So in order for you to calculate cost of cement for only one pieces of the tiles, so you divide with the numbers of the tiles. Okay. Thus you will get the price RM3 ringgit 68 cent per pieces. This one is per piece. Okay. Right. So if you want to calculate the total material cost, to fix one tile, you can calculate. It is equivalent to price of one piece of tile, which is RM 160 cents, plus cost of cement, the cost of fixing one piece of tile is RM 3 ringgit and 68 cents. So this is total material. So you will get RM 5 ringgit and 28 cents. Alright. So moving to the labor cost, okay, you can see in the question given, the duration to fix the 800 tiles is 2 days with the capacity of 2 skilled labor and 3 unskilled labor. So the salary per day for skilled labor is 90 ringgit and the salary for the unskilled labor per day is 40 ringgit. Okay, these 5 labors, okay, will work together in order to fix these 800 pieces of high duty tiles. Okay, so we calculate the labor cost. The labor cost is, if we can see here, the details on how to calculate the labor cost. Okay, 2 skilled labor, okay, required 2 days, and the salary rate is 90 ringgit per day. So the total salary or the total cost of the labor, skilled labor is 360 ringgit. The same calculation imposed to unskilled labor, 3 times 2 days times 40 ringgit per day. So this is the cost of labor for unskilled labor. So total cost, or total labor cost here is 600 ringgit. Right? So 600 ringgit. So how to get, so please do some correction on your notes. Okay. So the value is 300. Okay. So how to get this value, 300 basically, is 90 ringgit times 2 workers. Okay, you will get 108 ringgit. Okay, 40 ringgit times 3 unskilled labor is 120. So total you will get 300. Okay. 300 times 2 days. Okay. This is the total salary for 1 week. Okay. So you get this value. So in order for you to get cost of labor for fixing one piece of IGT tiles, Okay, you divide with 800 pieces. So then you will get the labor cost for fixing one piece of heavy duty tile is 70 cents. Okay, 70 cents. Right. So next, cost of fixing one piece heavy duty tile and including the profit, which is 15%. So basically, this is the material cost. Okay, the cost of tile, the cost of the cement. So basically, we already calculated the total. It is 5 ringgit 28 cent. So the labor cost is 75 cent for each pieces. So you total up with the material cost, you will get 6 ringgit and 3 cent. You times with the profit 15%. Okay, so you get cost of fixing one piece of heavy duty tiles, including the profit is 6 ringgit 93 cents. Right. So this one is per piece. In this context of a question, okay, it's required you to estimate the cost one for fixing one piece and also the total cost. Okay, this is the first question. The cost for fixing, the cost of fixing of one piece of heavy duty tiles. Okay, and the second question is the total cost for 800 pieces of the proposed carport style project. Okay, so other for answering this second question, so this is the solution. The total cost of proposed project, including 15% profit, okay, you will get this one. This is the total cost of the tiles, including the wastage. This is the total cost of cement, and this is the cost of labor. In this question stated the duration is 2 days to complete fixing the 800 tiles, 600 times the profit. Okay, so basically this profit is 100% plus the 15% profit. Okay, so you get 1 plus 0.15. So here you get 1.15. So this constant is the cost including the profit. Thus, the total cost would be 5,616 ringgit and 60 cents. So, in order to enhance your understanding related to this topic, which is estimation for the tiling works, you can answer the following question. March 2017, question number 4. Alright, so I think that's all. Thank you.